Breeding budgie parakeets can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning and consideration of the bird's welfare before beginning the breeding process. Ensure you have healthy, mature budgies and a suitable breeding environment. Step 1, Preparation. Pair selection. Choose healthy, mature budgies, usually around 1 to 2 years old, as breeding pairs. Ensure they are not closely related to avoid genetic issue. Housing. Provide a spacious breeding cage or a separate breeding aviary. The cage should be large enough to accommodate the pair comfortably, typically at least 18 into 18 into 24 inch in size. Nesting box. Instantly a suitable nesting box within the cage. The box should be cozy and secure, with a intense wholly large enough for the birds but small enough to prevent predators from entering. Step 2, Creating the right environment. Temperature and lighting. Maintains a consistent temperature between 65 degree Fahrenheit to 70 degree Fahrenheit and provide accurate natural or artificial light for around 10 to 12 hours a day. Diet and nutrition. Offers a balanced diet rich in seeds, fresh fruit, vegetables, and supplements like cattle bone or mineral blocks. Good naturals is circle for breeding success. Step 3, Bonding and courtship. Pair bonding. Introduce the selected pair and allow them time to bond. Watch for signs of mutual interest, such as feeding each other or feeding together. Courtship behavior. Observe the birds for courtship behavior, like regarding food, natural grooming, or the male displaying to the female by bobbing his head and chirping. Step 4, Breeding behavior. Nesting. Once the pair had bonding, the female will inspect the nesting box, provide nesting materials such as shredded paper or wood saving for her to build a nest. Egg laying. The female will lay eggs, usually 4 to 8, every other day. Ensure a calcium-rich diet for the female during this time. Incubation. Both the male and female may take turns incubating the egg. The incubation period typically lasts around 18-20 days. Step 5, Chick care. Hatching. After the incubation period, the egg will start hatching. The chicks are born naked and blind, relying on their parents for warmth and food. Feeding. The parent will feed the chicks a regulated mixture of seeds and crops. Ensure the parents have a nutritious diet to pass on their offspring. Growth and development. As the chicks grow, monitors their development. They will feed in about 4 to 5 weeks and become more independent. Step 6. Post breeding care. Separation. Once the chicks are independent, considering separating them from the parents to prevent future breeding attempts and maintains the parents healthy. Healthy chick. Regularly check the day healthy of the breeding pair and their offspring. Provided veterinary care if needed. Rest period. Allow the breeding pair as a rest period between breeding cycle to regain their strength and health. Remember, responsible breeding in violence prepare care the bird welfare. Be prepared to handle any unforeseen circumstance and provided adequate care and attention throughout the breeding process. Thank you.